Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to update Angry Birds 2 game. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Play Store application. Now in the search bar, type in Angry Birds 2 game. Tap on Angry Birds 2 application. Now, if this app requires any kind of update, then an update button will appear instead of play button. Then you'll have to tap on that update button. Then your app will be updated. So that is how you can update Angry Birds 2 game. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.